one more guess of where we might be going before we get there.
Luca, what's your guess?
I just don't.
Go on then, Ollie, what's your guess?
Festival type.
What? A festival?
Yeah.
Right, that's not bad.
do it.
What do you guess?
I can do it.
Go on then.
I can do it. Legoland, somewhere like that, but I don't know.
Like, Luca guesses Legoland. Ollie thinks it's like a small town festival, yeah? And then what do you think?
I think swimming pool.
A swimming pool. Oh, so we've got 3 guesses. Are any of them right, Mike?
We'll have to wait and see.
Yeah, so we are nearly there. How many miles, Mike? About 10 miles. What is it?
Is it cafe?
I don't know.
Is it? I think it is because I just saw signs.
Well, I think you need to be keeping your eyes peeled and have a look.
Right.
Right, you need to be looking at the signs, boys. Okay.
Oh, so you fell
Right, what does that say? Huh?
Yeah, we need
Yeah, it's Catfest.
What?
Who's going there?
Me.
You're going to cafe?
We're going to cafe.
What do you think to that then, Al?
Good.
Cafe South.
She could see from my face that I was, and I know.
Peace, Sam. Peace.
Festival. It's quite exciting because there's always something new going on and the boys are super happy that we're here as well, so I've just woke up. I'm gonna get up, grab some breakfast and probably head down to the festival. Ollie's really keen to see all of the cars today and I think there's some really good acts on again tonight, so yeah, we'll see. How do we wake him up? Best way to wake Daddy up, boys. What do we have to do? No. What do we have to make him? What do we have to do to wake Daddy up?
The kettle on and it does the big whistle.
What do we have to do to wake Daddy up?
A big coffee.
Yeah, let's stick kettle on.
Can I have a hot chocolate?
Yeah. The only way we're waking this gorilla up is by turning the kettle on. Morning, Parker.
Yeah. Hello.
Hi guys! Is it a surprise? Hi! Hi! Are you brushing your teeth?
Love you.
Are you brushing
your teeth?
High five! Loud and smoky.
Loud, Parker. Grandad, what you got in your beard?
God knows.
Oh, put that glitter in there.
Naughty Hannah. Here we go.
Tell everyone what you're about to do.
The fun run.
We're up, what time is it? I think it's about 9:30.
Yeah, it's like 9:30.
We're just on our way to go do the fun run. Or should I say I'm not. Mike is, Luca is, and Ollie is. And I'm on my way to babysit Parker. It's basically my get out course. So we're just walking in, and the festival site is only actually open to runners at the minute, so I feel a little bit like a cheat because obviously I'm not running. These guys are. It's actually £5 each to do the run, but it's all for charity, and this festival is all about children's charities. So yeah.
Oh my god, yes, 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 keep it going! I think we can do better than that. Are we all ready to run?
To Daddy, Luca, oh. What you got?
A cookie in the middle.
Woohoo! How do you feel, mate?
Well, we won. It's not about winning, but we won anyway.
Oh, look what Daddy got you.
Mummy.
What do you say?
Mummy, by the way, Ollie's sped off ahead and he's still in the
Yeah,
truck.
we're going to tell Ollie that we overtook him.
How do you feel?
Sweaty.
How do you feel, mate?
Super fit.
How do you feel?
Fit and tired.
All-American brownie and salted caramel.
That's going to be a nice little treat for us. Come on then, guys.
Salted caramel.
Salted caramel and a big American or something.
Can I get that one? Can I get that piece? Can I get the most salty piece?
Well, that's not that one.
Very, very low.
That was nice of her to chop it, wasn't it?
Saw you at home. Trying to get some wooden stakes of it just to
Go
get
on
it
then,
off.
tell me what you think. Okay.
And if you want a piece,
No, thank you.
it's just the all-American one.
Go on then, give it a big bite.
Ollie, cookie dough, Oreo, and peanut butter. It's the all-American. That's right, it's bigger.
I'll try that.
What we're saying.
Tastes American.
Tastes American.
Hannah, are you having some?
No, no. Go boom, boom, boom.
Okay.
Pack up day. We've just packed the full van up. Mike's just pouring the boys of water. We think we're going to cheat today and go and grab some breakfast out, don't we? Did you have a good time at the festival?
Yeah.
Did you? What was your favourite?
Shack.
Lots of chuck. Did you enjoy the festival pack, Luca?
Yeah, really.
What was your best bit?
I think it was the cars. Yeah.
The cars?
Yeah.
Did you like them? You went to the fun fair last night as well, didn't you?
Yeah.
Me and Mike liked the music and the cars and everything. It was all pretty good, wasn't it?
Yeah.
But now we're just all packed up. Mike's just filling the waters up for the boys.
Okay.
Yikin.
I bet that.
Say hi, Mike.
Hi.
Thanks, Dad.
Are we done, Mikey boy?
He's not Mikey Boy.
Oh, is he then?
He's Daddy.
He's daddy.
Go, Dad.